In this video, I am going to show you the best trading view buy sell indicators which will help you to get non-stop profits. Yes, guys, my students are getting the profits with the help of these indicators. You can check the further details about these indicators on our website, that is fxmentorus.com, and the link is given in the description of this video below. And you will find here two indicators that are the best buy sell indicators, the swing trading guru and the bank indicator. And we are going to review these indicators in our video. As you can see right now, this is the pound USD chart, and you can see we have a bullish signal, price went up, bearish price went down, and the bullish it's going up. And the good thing that this indicator never repaints. This is one of the no repainted indicator, and that is very strong. Okay, you can see this is Great Britain pound JPY. We have a bearish signal, it was good for scalping, and now look at the bullish ride. And if we go previous, then you can see we have a very good bullish signal, and that was only for the scalping. And overall this indicator is very perfect, because when we talk about the indicators that are the premium indicators, then this indicator is doing wonders for my community. And you can see bullish signal on Euro USD, bearish and bullish. You can use this indicator on anything like forex, stocks and crypto, whatever you want to use. You can use any time frame, but the best time frame to use that indicator is the 5-minute chart. Okay, and you can also use this on the 3-minute chart as well. And right now I'm just checking it on US 30, and you can see the signals are this one. Let's have a look on US 100. Okay, so it will give false signals as well, like this is the false signal, but you can see the next ride has taken a good profit. You can see bearish, profitable, bullish is on the way. So you can use this indicator on anything like Bitcoin as well. This works pretty well in crypto as well. You can see a bullish good signal, bearish, and then bullish on the Bitcoin 5-minute. Okay, so this is our first indicator. And the second indicator, that is my best seller, that is the bank indicator, and that nothing is comparable with that indicator, because this indicator is already on a very good this is working very well for my subscribers. If you go to my Telegram channel, you can find the link of the Telegram channel from the contact us option on our website, and also it is also provided separately in the description of this video below. And you will find the Telegram channel. You can also email us, and you can book the lifetime versions of these two indicators. Okay, now I'm going to show you. First of all, you can see we have the bank selling order, and previously the price is rejected from the bank selling order. And if we go further back, then you can see this indicator has provided us a very good bank buying level, and the price went up. Okay, similarly, if you look at here, when the price closes above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal. Okay, it's a buy signal when the price is closing above the dotted red line. Even you can see here it closes above, that was a buy signal for you. And when the price closes below the dotted green level, green dotted line, it's a sell signal. But overall, majorly the bank levels are very strong to go with, and you can take a massive profit by just using the bank levels. Okay, for example, if you look at gold today, it was rejected from the bank selling level, and right now it does not have a close below the dotted green level, and then it pump up. Okay, so let's have more examples so that I can explain you much better about this indicator. Okay, now you can see almost from the bank buying order, plus we have the dotted green line, the price simply went up. Okay, now the question arises that what about these bank levels? If the price breaks below the bank buying order and if it disappears, it's a clear message that the market is trying to target the next bank buying level. So this is how you are going to use this indicator, and the dotted lines are subject to never repaint. And this is one of the best indicator, because if you go to my Telegram group, you will see bundle of feedbacks. Like this is the just this example is just from the Great Britain pound AUD chart. You can see it's going up because there was a bank buying level, and this is very strong, because we have done a lot of work on that indicator, and this indicator is quite a perfect job. And you can see like here, when it closes below the dotted green line, the price moved and touched the bank buying order, and then it was reversed. So guys, you can book the lifetime versions of both indicators by contacting on Telegram. You can also email us through our website, and you can visit fxmentorus.com. The website link is provided in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.